Here we will write a Python program to create two lists, merge them and sort them in ascending and descending order. So first in comment line we will write. First we will create two empty lists. Then we will accept number of elements for both the lists. So n1 equal to int input enter number of elements for first list. Then we will accept number of elements for second list. So n2 equal to int input enter number of elements for second list. Then we will accept elements from the user for first list. So first I will print message enter elements for first list. Here I will use for loop. So for I in range 0, n1 we will accept elements. So a equal to int input enter element. Then we will append this list. So L1 dot append a. Then we will accept elements for second list. For this also we will use for loop. So for I in range 0, n2. In a we will accept it. So int input enter element. Then we will append this to second list. So L2 dot append a. Before merging the list we will print both the list. So print first list and we will give print L1. Then we will print second list and print L2. Then we will merge second list to first list. So L1 dot extend L2. Then we will print list after merging and we will print L1. Then we will sort the list in ascending order using sort function. So L1 dot sort and we will print the list. So print list after sorting in ascending order. We will print L1. Then we will sort the list in descending order. For this we will use L1 dot sort and reverse equal to true. And again we will print the list after sorting in descending order. So print L1. Then we will execute this. I will enter number of elements for first list as 4, second list as 3. Then I will enter elements for first list and then for second list. First it will print elements for the first list and second list and then it will merge the list as 4376 952. Since 4376 are for first list and 952 from second list. And after sorting in ascending order it will print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And after descending order it will print 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. To sort the list in ascending order we will use only sort, and to sort the list in descending order we will use reverse equal to true with sort method.